Mailbox Minute. We'll see what's coming from China or Japan or someplace else. Oh, China Post. Huh. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is, and it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but that's okay. It'll still be cool. Okay, this can be noisy for those of you who are sensitive to sound. Just turn down your sound right now. Okay. All right. So I hope this is going to be cool. All right. So if you've been over to the Soapy Gal, I think it's Soapy Gal. I just discovered her anyway. Probably all know about her already. I'm learning so much from her because I'm growing right now, so it's pretty awesome that she's so willing to share. Okay, so if you work with soap dough and you like doing embeds and you want to put you want all your bars to kind of look similar, there's this tool that's made for clay. That's an extruder. So you make a roll and you put in your plate on the end. So it's kind of like making pasta, I guess. So you pick your plate. Let's pick that one. See if I can figure out. So if I wanted to make grass, for example, a tip like that might work. Instead of out of soap, instead of piping it, say I want soap dough because it has a different look to it, or maybe I want squiggles throughout the whole thing. Now I tried piping within the soap, like with the tube, and it works okay, but if you put your soap in there, let's see if it works. Oh, let's just try this out. I don't know which way I should do this. I'm gonna go get a little bit of soft soap. Hold on, guys. Not that one. There's some honey soap. This is pretty soft. Some soft soap here. Okay, this is pretty soft. I have to kind of make it like soap dough. I don't know if this is going to work. It might work, it might not work. This isn't actual soap dough. I do have soap dough somewhere, but not right this second. Let's see if I can roll it into a little bit of a tube. Okay, let's pretend that this is all worked out. God, I gotta play with my stuff right away, don't I? I'll just load that up. I might be ruining it first thing. I hope not. All right, let's see what happens. It wasn't horribly expensive. Let's see if it works like awesome. All right, so opens up some more possibilities for fun soap sculptures. Guys, check that out. Oh, how awesome is that? Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun with this. I know it's not a big extruder for making like major ones. How cool is that? I got soap spaghetti, guys. Look at that. Look at that! How fun is that? So this was a little bit more than a soapy minute, but I think it was worthwhile. All right, we'll see you all next time. New tool on the block for using with your soap. Yeah, that's so cool. I can do a lot with that. I can do a lot of fun things with that. We'll let these dry and see what I can do with this right away. See y'all next time. Bye for now. Click like and subscribe if you learned something new, or if you just enjoyed being here. Come on back anytime into my soapy kitchen, and we'll catch you later. Bye for now.